Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Facebook account. As you can see here, the language of my Facebook account has changed. So follow the steps. To change the language of your Facebook account, you need to go to menu by clicking on this button. Now you need to look for this gear or settings icon, and here you need to click on it. After that, another options will show up. Look for a circle icon that is like a global icon. This is the language option, click on it. Now we can change the language of our Facebook account. Click on the first option and choose your Facebook language. And click on second option, and choose your translate language. So this is the way to change Facebook language. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification icon.